When your custom frame arrives, take a minute to look at how securely it's packaged. We're proud to say we go the extra mile to make sure it arrives in perfect condition. And that commitment starts with the boxes we use. They're specifically engineered to minimize any damage in transit, and our cardboard is SFI certified and sustainably sourced. Also, we never use more plastic than is absolutely necessary to protect your frame. Everything you need is included in the box. From hanging hardware to clips for installing canvases, you'll be able to display your frame in no time. When shipping empty frames for you to install the image or photograph yourself, we keep the protective film on both sides of your acrylic. When you peel off the acrylic's protective film, do so in a very clean area that will help you prevent dust and hair from being attracted to the acrylic surface. If you've chosen the print and frame option, your hardware is already installed, and the back is papered to protect your print from dust while it's on display. All that's left for you to do is hang your newly framed art or family photo. And as you unbox your new frame, remember, we guarantee your complete satisfaction.